gobar leabhar na Gaeilge ag fásaigh ag forbairt a Clondalkin agónaí.
I try to use Irish every day in my job, even if it's just saying Gurb Maha go to a customer or a day which just they walk through the door.
Bhrálam níos mó Gaeilge a leirt gachlá.
Is mis Gemma agus tá mé gobar in Líonra.
DU, Deaglan or Gorman is Sanam Dum, Tom Gober, Boss Hogs.
It's great to hear Irish spoken in Dublin. Check a muckay.
But what on the anam Gaeilge úsáid gachlá?
Le Chéile tá poblaigh!
Craig Cantor, Ian Fubble.